Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. Let's walk through FEC xPOS XP-3685 POS Machine. The FEC xPOS XP-3685 sounds like a device that could be the next star in a sci-fi saga about intergalactic retail therapy. This little beauty is designed to make your point of sale as sleek and efficient as a starship's control panel. Touch terminal. With a 15-inch projective capacitive touchscreen that's so responsive, you'd think it reads your mind before you've even decided to touch it. Processor power. Powered by an Intel Celeron, or if you're feeling fancy, even an i3 or i5. Intel Celeron processor 3965U, 2M cache, 2.20 GHz Intel Core i3-7100U processor, 3M cache, 2.40 GHz Intel Core i5-7300U processor, 3M cache, up to 3.50 GHz. System memory, 4 GB standard, maximum 32 GB, 2x260-pin DDR4. Storage device, Celeron, 1x M.2, B+M key, SATA 3 and PCIE, 1x M.2, BM key, SATA 3 i3 and i5, 2x M.2, B+M key, SATA 3 and PCIE. It's like having a mini warp drive for your transactions. Flexible footprint, adjustable stand, so you can have it at a 65 degrees down to 15 degrees angle. Ideal for when you're dealing with customers who are either too tall or too short or just prefer to lie down while shopping. Ambient light sensor automatically adjusts the display to make sure your screen isn't dimmer than a black hole or brighter than a supernova. Expansion ready, with ports that can expand like a universe in the first nanosecond of the Big Bang, ensuring all your peripherals can connect seamlessly. Robust design, built to last in environments where the only thing more demanding than the workload might be the customers. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.